You've likely heard the cliché that data is the new oil. Corporations spend billions every year to extract it, refine it, and hoard it. When most people hear the word data, they picture accountants staring at numbers, locked inside rigid Excel spreadsheets. Those spreadsheets represent only a tiny fraction of the information we generate. Every photograph you take, every song you skip, every word you type adds to a massive digital archive. This creates a central problem. How can a machine possibly comprehend a world made of such loud, messy, and disorganized noise? To understand why artificial intelligence became so prominent, we have to redefine what data actually is. Data is raw information. Think of an individual fact as a puzzle piece. On its own, it doesn't tell you much. We usually organize this into predictable rows and columns. This is structured data. Things like ages, temperatures, or salaries neatly aligned in a database. Traditional computer software thrives on this format. The information is highly searchable, entirely orderly, and perfectly suited for mathematical rules. However, over the last decade, the volume of digital information has shifted toward messy, high-volume formats. Billions of text messages, audio recordings, images, and videos. Consider a self-driving car. Every single second, that system must ingest and interpret a massive influx of varied video feeds and sensor measurements to avoid hitting a stop sign. As human digital activity evolved, the information we produced outgrew our traditional tools. It became too complex to be contained in a simple, orderly spreadsheet. This brings us to unstructured data. This is information with no fixed format, existing as chaotic email threads, rambling podcast conversations, and complex medical scans. The scale is significant. Right now, 80 to 90% of all modern information is completely unstructured. This creates a deadlock. When you force traditional, rules-based software to process this massive chaos, it fails to process it correctly. Artificial intelligence provides a solution to this deadlock. It acts as an engine designed to ingest millions of these unstructured puzzle pieces and find the hidden patterns underneath the noise. When ChatGPT parses massive amounts of unstructured text to answer your question, or when Netflix predicts your behavior by analyzing messy viewing habits, you are seeing this pattern recognition in action. Modern AI acts as the translator required to turn the unstructured noise of human life into readable patterns. Yet, this capability introduces a major vulnerability. Without an ocean of data to consume, an AI system is entirely empty. It is incapable of learning. The tech industry summarizes this dependency with a warning: garbage in, garbage out. If an AI is trained on incomplete, biased, or dirty information, the system will produce poor and potentially dangerous results. Building safe, reliable artificial intelligence requires a foundation of highly curated, accurate, and diverse datasets. Data is valuable because it is the raw, unfiltered translation of human existence into a language that machines can finally read. The intelligence and the safety of the systems that will run our future rely on the quality of the data we feed them today. Looking at the tools you use every day, which specific type of data do you think AI relies on the most today? Text, images, video, or audio? Let us know in the comments below.